Good morning and happy Wednesday, everybody. Meteorologist Matthew Hidalgo here with a quick little weather update for you. So, a fairly mild start out there. Here's a look at your current temperatures for the panhandles in eastern New Mexico. A mixture of some 60s and 70s out there. Amarillo sitting at 70 degrees at the airport. It is going to be a hot afternoon out there. We will see an alert on the board. A heat advisory will be in effect for a good portion of the Texas and Oklahoma panhandle from about 2 p.m. until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And then for portions of eastern New Mexico from noon until about 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. So expect temperatures to get up to around 105 degrees for some of us. Could see some heat index values even above that. So if you are going to be out and about, make sure you're staying cool, drinking plenty of fluids. Try to limit your time outdoors. This will remain the theme, but let's take a walk through your computer model because temperatures are going to warm up quickly through those 70s, 80s, mid to upper 90s. Again, some of us pushing the triple digits during the afternoon hours. Sunny skies, might see a few clouds here and there. As we head throughout those late afternoon and evening hours, we are going to see some slight chances for pop-up showers and storms across portions of the region, really favoring the further west you are in the area. Things should taper off, though, as we get closer to the overnight hours, with temperatures falling back down to those 60s and 70s by early Thursday morning, and then pretty much rinse and repeat as we head throughout your Thursday afternoon, back into those upper 90s, pushing the triple digits. More isolated rain chances across portions of the region. So, talking more about these storm chances here fairly quickly. Here, we aren't going to dwell too much on it. It's just some general thunderstorm chances. We're not expecting severe weather to be an issue. In fact, the majority of us should be staying on the drier side. Now, again, the main story will be the heat, and that will remain the case throughout the remainder of the week here. We do have a high pressure ridge that is dominating the region. That's what's helping these temperatures kind of warm up here. Well, that high pressure ridge is going to eventually shift a bit further west. That's going to allow temperatures to get back into those low to mid 90s for daytime highs to start off next week. A weak trough is going to make its way across the panhandles in eastern New Mexico, and we are going to see some disturbances next week, is what the models are hinting at right now for some slightly better rain chances. Things still may change with that, so we'll continue to bring you the latest. Just make sure you're staying up to date with your weather forecasts. Let's take a look at some of those daytime highs for later this afternoon. Again, it's going to be brutal out there. Amarillo looking at a high around 101 degrees, down to Hereford 102, Clovis with a high around 101 degrees. Top of your screen, 92 is now our magic number. So the entirety of the region, we're expecting temperatures to be well above that. So can't stress this enough. Make sure you're staying hydrated out there, folks. Here's a look at your 7-day tracker. Again, rain chances very isolated at best. Again, not the main story this week. The main story remains the heat in those upper 90s, pushing the triple digits through Saturday. Then again, temperatures likely going to drop down into those low to mid 90s to start off next week with some slightly better rain chances, folks. Corbin's going to be in later this afternoon and evening with more updates for you on the forecast, but we got you covered. Just make sure you're staying weather ready out there.